10:30 a.m. It was close to 10:30 a.m. when the JDS Chikballapura candidate set out of his house. Though the first scheduled stop was Bagepalli, Kumar Anna had to make numerous stops and acknowledge supporters who had formed groups at regular intervals. Excited supporters, dressed in JDS caps and stoles, rushed towards the leader's convoy to celebrate his visits. Slogans, whistles, drum beats resonated the air even as people jostled to garland the leader. In total, HDK made 4 unscheduled stops at Masaranahalli, Avalahalli, Aruru and Periyuru. HD Kumaraswamy's first stop is supposed to be Bagepalli, but on the way there are numerous stops that he's forced to make, considering that there are a lot of people, a lot of groups that have formed at regular intervals. Now, this is one stop at Marsanali. This is at least the second or third stop that the former Chief Minister is forced to make rather, considering that it is not part of his plan, but he'll have to acknowledge that people are forming groups and are waiting for him since morning. It is extremely hot and hence people are waiting for him. He has to acknowledge them and has to stop, just greet them, ask them for votes, and he's proceeding. But his first official stop happens to be Bagepalli and we're following him to that. One of the first grand stops for HDK was in Periyuru, where supporters had gathered on a bridge to welcome the leader. It was a sight to behold as people gathered in hordes on the bridge to welcome him. What added to the excitement was the presence of JDS Supremo H.D. Deve Gowda too. The father-son duo's presence electrified the atmosphere as supporters were seen rejoicing.
ಅವರು ಈ ಸತಿನೂ ಅವರು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೋಟ್ಲ್ ಮಾಡೋರೆ SC ಜನಾಂಗ ತುಂಬಾ ಮೇಲಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಶಾಶ್ವತ ನೀರಾವರಿ ತರ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಘೋಷಣೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರು ಈ ಸತಿನೂ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ನಾಳೆ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಖಚಿತವಾಗಿ ತರ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು ನೀರಾವರಿ ಯೋಜನೆಯನ್ನು ಶಾಶ್ವತವಾಗಿ.
ಕುಮಾರಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅವರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಅಭಿಮಾನ ಇದೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅವಧಿಯಲ್ಲಿ 22 ತಿಂಗಳು ಸಿಎಂ ಆಗಿದ್ರು. ಈ ಚಿಕ್ಕಬಳ್ಳಾಪುರಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ತುಂಬಾ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಗಳು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 22 ತಿಂಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡಿರೋಂಥದ್ದು ಇವತ್ತು 5 ವರ್ಷ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಇದ್ದು ನಮಗೇನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ಕುಮಾರಣ್ಣ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಿಕ್ಕಬಳ್ಳಾಪುರ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿರೋದು ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಇಡೀ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಿಕ್ಕಬಳ್ಳಾಪುರ ಜನತೆಯ ಒಂದು ಅದೃಷ್ಟ ಅಂತ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ಭಾವಿಸ್ಕೊಂತೀರಿ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ಕೇವಲ 20 ತಿಂಗಳ ಅವಧಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಸರ್ಕಾರ 5 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಅವಧಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡದಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕೆಲಸ ಸಾಧನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕೇವಲ 20 ತಿಂಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸಿ ಇಡೀ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಜನತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮನದಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಲೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Stop 1 Bagepalli. After the multiple short stops on a sunny afternoon, H.D. Kumaraswamy reached Bagepalli along with his father H.D. Deve Gowda. And the extent of preparations made to welcome the leaders was jaw-dropping. Joining Kumaraswamy and Deve Gowda were other JDS leaders like Zameer Ahmed. The stage was set and the Shamiana was erected for the leaders to address a swarm of supporters who had gathered at the venue. Well, we are at Kumaraswamy's first scheduled stop, which is Bagepalli. Elaborate arrangements have been made. As you can see right behind me, there is a sea of humanity who have come in to just listen to their leader speak. H.D. Kumaraswamy, the former Chief Minister, is the candidate from Chikballapura constituency. He and his family members, in fact, have been looked at as the ones who are championing the farmers' cause. Chikballapura as a district, as a constituency, is facing a lot of water scarcity. It always has. And these people that you see here are looking at expectantly from H.D. Kumaraswamy that he probably will bring in a solution. These people have gathered here in large numbers and have been waiting for quite a while now, as the schedule has been fairly delayed, and they have come in here to just listen to H.D. Kumaraswamy speak, and a massive shamiana that has been put in place to ensure that people turn up even in this hot sun. It is extremely hot, and Chikballapur is known to will be extremely arid as well, and hence to attract the crowds, to ensure that people do not stay away from this particular gathering only because of the heat. A massive Shamiana has been put up, and H.D. Kumaraswamy is expected to speak in just a bit. What is a double dose of hope for the people here is the fact that H.D. Devegowda will also be part of this particular gathering. And what is entertaining these people here who have been waiting for H.D. Kumaraswamy for a while now are the Bollywood songs that are playing here. We can just hear Bollywood songs playing in our background, probably to keep the crowds entertained, considering that it is extremely hot. People have come in large numbers. They're waiting for their leader. They're waiting for H.D. Devegowda as well as Kumaraswamy to come in and speak to them. So people being kept entertained. Outside there are food stalls also. There are fruits, juices, everything being served so that the people will stay hydrated, will stay entertained, and will stay here for this gathering. Excited supporters who had been waiting for the leader expressed confidence in HDK.
ನಮಗೆ ಚಿಕ್ಕಬಳ್ಳಾಪುರ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದಾರಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಇನ್ನು ಗೆಲ್ಲಬೇಕು, ಇನ್ನು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಗಳು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಮಗೆ ಇದು ರೋಡ್ಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಊರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮನೆಗಳು ಅವು ಇವು ಹಾಕಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
As the crowds had been waiting for H.D. Kumaraswamy since morning, they seemed to get restless as other leaders were making long speeches. People in the crowd even made their displeasure clear when the JDS Supremo was speaking, as they demanded that Kumaraswamy take over the mic. Finally, when Kumaranna came in to speak, the crowds roared in deafening cheers, welcoming their leader. It was close to 2:30 p.m. by the time the elaborate function in Bagepalli came to an end. The leaders, who seemed to lose their much-needed energy in the hot sun, decided to take a lunch break. We then headed with Kumaranna and other JDS leaders to a local home where an elaborate lunch had been prepared for the leader. The traditional and delicious lunch, served on plantain leaves, consisted of ragi mudde, mutton gravy, nati koli fry and curry, and a side dish made of beans. The famished leaders quickly ate the yummy food, washed it down with some spiced buttermilk, and set out again. Stop to Gudibande. 4:30 p.m. H.D. Kumaraswamy's second stop of the day was the tiny town of Gudibande, where he was scheduled to carry out a road show. And a show it was. Well, we had been quite taken aback by the preparations in Bagepalli, but Gudibande surprised us at an all-new level. The grandeur with which the townsfolk welcomed their leader had our jaws drop. It's close to 4:30 p.m. and we have only reached the second official stop of H.D. Kumaraswamy, which is Gudibande, and we can currently expect him to speak in just a matter of a few minutes. He's atop that vehicle. He's waving to his supporters who have gathered here in large numbers in roads, wearing Kumaraswamy merchandise, t-shirts, hats, as well as shawls. They're just cheering for their leader, and there is a blaring speaker going on to tell how the other leaders have not lived up to their promises, and that H.D. Kumaraswamy is their ray of hope this time around. People walking along with this vehicle, along with Kumaraswamy, waving to him, listening at him, shouting for him and throwing flowers at him. So it is almost like a festive mood here. It is almost like a festival affair in Gudibande, similar to what we saw in Bagepalli. People screaming on top of their voices, even as they are waiting for H.D. Kumaraswamy to speak. Even as HDK waved to his supporters perched on top of a goods carrier in slow pace, hordes of people walked along with him shouting slogans. The procession was being led by folk artists, even as kilograms of flower petals were being showered on the leader from rooftops. a festival here, practically a festival. You can see folk artists who have come in to just perform on the occasion. They're beating drums. The rhythm is almost infectious. Even as they wear the merchandise of H.D. Kumaraswamy, and cheer for him as he comes along. Beautiful stunts being performed here. Enthusiastic crowds too who have come in entertaining them. Yes, stunts. We can hear the drum beat and absolutely fantastic. It's almost enjoyable to be part of this particular campaign. After an unforgettable procession in Gudibande, HDK addressed the gathering and quickly set out to his next stop, Gauri Bidnoor, at around 5 p.m. The stop was close to 35 kilometers away and thick clouds had unexpectedly begun to show. But an undeterred HDK set out to meet his waiting supporters.